Hello everyone and welcome to another cooking experience with me. Today I'm making speedy veggie beanie stew, or at least something similar to this. So we have 1.5 peppers, the smallest onion in the world because I don't have any more, some garlic, some spinach, we have some 2 cans of mixed beans, we have some tomato puree or tomato paste, we have some cumin, some Cajun seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce. Good luck saying that, even I struggle with saying that word. We also over here have 2 tomatoes that need to be peeled. So I'm actually going to peel them now. Got my peeler. I've boiled them in some hot water. And then this should be easier, which it looks like it is. Oh my God, it's worked. Okay, that's 2. Okay, getting a plate for these and just put them here. Put the skins in the bin. So it says do the rice, but I've already got some cooked rice. So slice the onion. So chop the smallest onion in the world and do the peppers. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Got my knife. Okay, so onion is chopped. Now it's time for the pepper. 1.5 peppers. This knife isn't very sharp, so this I'm gonna drag it rather than chop it. Okay, I'm gonna take the beans and drain them. So we have a can opener. Okay, so we drain our mixed beans. There's a few at the bottom. Second can. Let's get rid of some of that juice. Okay, put that there for now. Now we will get our frying pan, put the heat on. Put that there, heat the pan up, and then add a little bit of oil. I'm going to put the kettle on so we can make some veggie stock using the stock cubes here. So we've got some olive oil, drizzle some in. Okay, so adding the red onion. The red onion, in we go. For a couple of minutes. So adding the hot water to the stock cube. Give that a stir. Okay, now we're gonna add the peppers. The red peppers, to be exact. Although I think the recipe asks for green ones, but no one likes green peppers. Next we're going to add the puree, cumin, Cajun and lime Perry's. It just says add the whole peeled tomatoes, but I don't know what that means. Oh, it's like carton. I see. I thought it meant actual whole tomatoes, but apparently not. Well, I'm not going to waste them. So I'm just going to chop them all up. Okay, so it says add the smoked paprika. We don't have any, so we're using Cajun. It doesn't say how much, because this is HelloFresh. It says 2 sachets, so I'm just going to guess. Let's pretend that's 1 sachet. 2. Cumin, how much you got here? Cumin, 2 sachets, so 1 sachet. 2 sachet, I guess. A sachet is like this, so a small little bit of whatever you're using. But I don't have any. Okay, we'll give this a stir. Maybe just add a bit of veggie stock just to get a bit liquid. So this is tomato puree. 2 sachets again, so I don't know, 1, 2, and Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna add these tomatoes. Even though we bought the wrong ones, let's see how it turns out. This is probably a bad idea, but oh well. Okay, veg stock paste. I didn't have a paste, I turned it into a liquid, so once again, still absolutely punting. I'm just not going to add that much. It says a bit of sugar as well. Let's take a few pinches. 1, 2, 3. So stir in the veggie stock, whole peel tomatoes and sugar for the sauce. Break up the tomatoes with a spoon. Oh, so okay, we weren't doing it completely wrong. Make your zesty cream. I haven't got any cream because I'm trying to be healthy and lose some weight. Well, this doesn't actually have, where does it say add the mixed beans? Oh, drain the mixed beans, heat, oil, red onion, add the pepper, add smoked paprika, ground cumin, tomato puree, Worcestershire sauce. Stir in the veg stock paste, whole peel tomatoes and sugar. Add the mixed beans next, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add them now. So adding the mixed beans, give that a stir. I'm gonna add some more liquid too. Can't be bad, can it? Because it might turn out quite dry. I'm gonna add some chunky top tomatoes because I think I bought the wrong thing. But I'll just add half. That'll do. Bring to the boil, then lower heat and simmer for 5 or 6 minutes. Let me just have a little taste, because there's a lot of tomatoes in there. There's these tomatoes and this tomato and the actual tomato, so it's probably going to be a bit too tomatoey. If in doubt, add more Cajun seasoning. What can go wrong? Okay, bring to the boil, and meanwhile pour the sour cream. Don't have any. Grate lime zest, don't have any. Just before you serve, stir the spinach into the stew, fluff up the rice. Okay, so we're basically done. I don't know where this garlic, I guess we haven't used the garlic. That's going back in there. I hear you're not meant to put cans in the fridge, but I have always done it and I'm not dead. So stick that there. Here's my rice from earlier, so I'm going to heat this up. Okay, so I'm going to heat up my rice in the microwave. Here we have the microwave. Put that in, stick the lid on. I don't know, two minutes, hopefully. These can go back in the drawer. Okay, Okay, now we're gonna add the spinach. There you go, it's already starting to wilt. Gonna put even more on. Might as well. And I'll leave a little bit. Leave that in the fridge. Check on the rice. Let's just add a bit of salt. That's probably quite a lot. Get it in there. Okay, leave this here. Take the rice. I'm gonna get a bowl. I think this is done. I don't mind it being a bit liquidy because I'm gonna be eating this for the next few days, so I'd rather it be a bit more liquidy than too dry. Spoon some of this rice. Okay, that's the rice. I guess I'm just going to use a ladle for the veggie stew. That'll do. So I'm going to dish up. I'm going to dish up, or prepare, should I say, maybe about 4 or 5 containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Gonna get a bit of yogurt. I really like yogurt in stews and curries, so I'm just gonna put lots on because I'm feeling generous to myself. A tiny bit of butter on the, well, nearly on the rice. There we go. A sprinkle of pepper. And there we have it. Done. Vegetable stew with rice. Oh, I've got dirty fingers. So there we have it. Vegetable stew with some rice and some yogurt. We've got peppers and spinach and mixed beans. And we have enough for multiple days now. So let me try it. Is it any good? Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. It's not gonna win any awards, but healthy and relatively quick. So I'll take it. All right then, hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, bye.